Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix AC in your Ford F-150. First, let's start with some basic checks. Begin by inspecting the fuse for your AC system. A blown fuse is a common and easy fix. Next, listen for the blower motor to ensure it's running, as a silent blower indicates a potential issue. Finally, observe the AC compressor clutch to see if it engages when you turn on the air conditioning. These initial steps can quickly pinpoint simple problems. If your initial checks don't reveal the problem, low refrigerant is often the culprit. A lack of refrigerant means your system can't cool effectively. You'll want to use a specialized leak detection kit to find any breaches in the lines or components. Once any leaks are sealed, recharge your AC system with the appropriate amount of R134A refrigerant, typically around 2.5 pounds for many F-150 models, to restore cooling. The AC compressor is vital for cooling, so if it's not engaging, your system won't work. Check its electrical connection and ensure it's receiving power. Also, thoroughly inspect all wiring and connectors throughout the AC system for any signs of corrosion or damage, which can interrupt electrical flow. Don't forget to test the AC pressure switch, as a malfunctioning one can prevent the compressor from activating. If you have cold air but no airflow, the blower motor is likely the issue. Ensure it's receiving power and spinning freely. Also, a clogged cabin air filter can severely restrict airflow, so check and replace it if it's dirty. If you've gone through these steps and your AC still isn't working, it might be time to consult a professional. Sometimes, complex issues require specialized tools and expertise for proper diagnosis and repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.